Dear parents, there are questions that reveal exactly what a family believes, what it values, and what it has never said out loud. The T-A-L-Kpoints Family Life Education Card Game, created by Dr. Richie Adewusi of the Universal Parenting Institute, was built to enable exactly those questions for being asked and discussed within families. Today, we are looking at one of those questions from the T-A-L-Kpoints Family Life Education Card Game. Father card number 6 asks this: if because of financial constraints you have to choose between sending your son or daughter to school, who would you choose and why? This question looks commonplace, but at the same time is rarely openly discussed in families. However, it exposes the values operating beneath the surface of every family unit, especially resource-constrained families. Values around gender, fairness, opportunity, and the future. Most families go through their entire lives never having these types of conversations openly. The T-A-L-Kpoints Family Life Education Card Game puts it on the table in 60 seconds. You may want to subscribe to the #slowparenting podcast right now, so you can follow and engage with this impactful series. Here are 5 perspectives that typically arise from this question. 1. The parents who choose their daughters. Some fathers answer this card by choosing their daughters, arguing that the world is harder on uneducated women and that a daughter's education provides protection that a son's does not need in the same way. This perspective often surprises the children at the table and opens a conversation about gender that the family may have needed for years. 2. The parents who choose their sons. Other fathers may choose their sons, not out of favoritism, but out of a deeply held cultural conviction that the son carries the family name and the financial responsibility for the household into the future. This response often produces the most direct and honest exchange between the fathers and the daughters at the table. 3. The parents who refuse to choose. Some parents respond to this card by firmly refusing to choose, insisting that both children deserve equal access regardless of circumstance and that the family would find another way. This leads to a powerful conversation about how the family would actually solve a financial crisis together rather than sacrifice one child for another. 4. The children who answer before the parents. Sometimes it is the children who speak first, and what they say stops the room completely. A daughter who says she would give her place to her brother, or a son who insists his sister should go first, produces a moment of genuine family pride and leads into a conversation about sacrifice, love, and what values the children have quietly absorbed from watching their parents. 5. The parents who turn it into a story. Some parents use this card to share a real experience from their own childhood. A sibling who was sent to school while they stayed home. A sacrifice that shaped everything. These are the moments that transform a card game into a family legacy conversation, one that the children at that table will carry with them for the rest of their lives. There is no right answer to father card number 6. There is no wrong answer either. There is only your family's answer. And whatever that answer is, the conversation it starts is worth far more than the card it came from. This is the value of the T-A-L-Kpoints Family Life Education Card Game. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to get your pack now, so you can start those conversations in your own family. Please join us on our live stream on this topic and watch a real family talk about their experiences playing the card game. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Kindly share with other parents who need to see this, and stay connected with the #slowparenting podcast community. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode in this series.